What's really cool about them is that they are climbers and they're very aggressive, and they take a while to get started, but if you give them a lot of compost, put them in a very rich soil, you will have just a crazy amount of growth, and they'll grow 15 feet long, I think, but we only have like a 6-foot trellis. So I just wanted to encourage you, if you have trouble growing green beans, especially bush green beans, opt for some noodle beans. They have a kind of an unusual texture, a little bit, I don't want to call it spongy, but that's probably the best way to describe it, although it's really good, and they don't boil well. You need to stir fry them. Or maybe possibly steam them. Not 100% sure because I've only had them a couple times, but I really like them, and they are prolific. I mean, this is just one plant, and let me see if I can show you how much is going on here. These are all growing on one plant, and I think it takes like 10 or 15 beans for, a side dish for dinner. So anyway, look into it, see what you think, and like, subscribe, share, etc. And hopefully I'll see you back soon.